We're on our way to Target. Grumpy Bud, say good morning.
Good morning. I'm not grumpy today.
He's not grumpy today.
Not today.
Not today. So we're on our way to Target to go see, you know, what they have. What they have, you know what I mean? So we shall see you guys there.
This is the one my person got me.
I like this one.
Squishies.
Does it smell? Does it smell?
A little bit. I like these. I got a panda one. I got that one. I only have one of them.
What are these? Liquid
Slime, I think.
liquid metal? They have a new section. Target. It's called Party Bag Starters.
I want a big panda one, Mommy.
They have.
I have a little Peyton. They have a big Peyton, but I don't know where the Peyton is.
Let me see that one. This one is. This one is. What is this one, honey?
These are amazing squishies.
Oh, this is a strawberry. And then they have the. They have the monkey.
I at least want one of them.
Oh, look at this one. Yeah. This is.
I want one of these. I want another one.
Which one is this one?
That's like a cake.
Is it a cake?
Yeah, I think so.
It's so pretty. And then they have.
I want one of these.
What is this one? A unicorn? Is that a unicorn?
It's a unicorn too.
Get her. Grab her for me. Oh, this is a
Come on.
What is this one?
That's a unicorn seal.
It's a unicorn seal. Okay. And then oh look. They have
Ice cream cone.
ice cream
That's a
cone.
unicorn. I hope I don't get one there.
And then this one is what? Just a ball?
So that one, this unicorn seal is like this.
Come here, Maddie.
Come here.
Come here.
This unicorn seal is like this unicorn seal.
Ooh, what is this guy?
It's a silver ultra rough baking thing.
What other one they have? Oh, look at this
Sunday.
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 And then they have a rose gold cupcake.
Yep.
This is pretty. They have a lot of squishies here.
But these are like these because
Oh, look at this guy. Oh, this is a donut.
you can hear it inside of it.
Oh, you can hear it.
Yeah. Hopefully.
And they have this guy. Oh man.
Look at this one. What is this like? It smells like it. Yeah, this one smells.
Is it smelly?
Because there's a hole. Yeah, there's a hole right here. You can smell it.
I think that's all the ones down here. Let's put them back. I think that's all the ones. And then they have some in
Yeah, that's what I got for my teeth. That's what I got.
the little tiny one. What is this one? Jelly bubble. Yeah. Oh, look at this. This is a cinnamon bun.
What is this one supposed to be?
A ball?
I don't know. Oh, and they have a cake.
Oh, a slice of cake.
cake. You know,
Any more?
they have a new one of these where it smells good. Smell it.
Oh, that do smell good.
These are the new things.
What else is down here? These are the jelly bubbles. Jelly bubbles.
I have one of these.
Oh, Destiny got one of these for her in her stocking.
Yeah. No.
Look at that. Oh my word. This is so satisfying.
Yeah.
Like, look at that.
And then
Ooh,
there's a
look at this one.
Oh,
It changed color.
I should have this because there's no name thing here and it's broken though.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep it.
It's so cool. What else is here?
There's some over here. Some of the
They have toys for boys. And
Next
then
year I want one of these.
they have these gold bars.
I want these kind of squishies. I want these
They're
kind
just
of
like
squishies.
that. I don't know what's in them. Let's see.
What are they?
It says Gold
Real
Dig It.
gold.
Super Gold Dig It. Real gold. Super size. Treasure inside.
Oh, wow.
In one in 24 box. So this is all that's in there. So
yeah,
that's cool. See an eyeball.
I like going to Target because I like to go anywhere because they have these weird thingies where they just get the toys out and they just leave it. So
what else they have here? Let's see.
Down here
what's
they have
down here?
Like these things.
Oh, they have these amazing putty.
Yeah, these.
Got putty. They have these. What are these called?
We had one before where you put your hand and then there.
Okay, those are cool. Oh, they have. I don't think this belongs here.
No,
I don't think that belongs there.
And these are like for Jack when he plays.
So these, I think the highest they go at $10. And then you have the little cars for the boys.
Next year I want one of these.
Come here.
So I have to save on my money.
And then these are party fun strings. Fun string.
We have like walkie-talkie.
Can't even get it back in the thing.
Cookie cushions.
Okay.
Slime.
So then they have these.
And then Daddy got this random.
I think I already showed you guys. These look really cool.
And then I like
liquid metal.
Yeah,
those are $10.
Does it feel weird?
And then what's this? Oh man, what is this?
Weird.
Guess Maddie.
Maddie, come here.
Neon Brights, amazing slime. Okay, these are slime. And then more putty, more balls, cars.
Yeah, that's still there.
I think. Oh, and they have these. These are
Light up bracelets.
glow bracelet pack. There's like 65 packs in it for like $7.
This is a slow rising squishy.
Then they have these amazing putty.
This is a slow rising squishy, Mommy. Look how slow it goes.
Where's Maddie?
Right there.
What is it?
This is a slow rising squishy I found down there.
Oh man.
It's really slow.
There you go. That feels good. What else? Oh, what is this? Ooh.
Oh gosh, that you
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Can I try, Mommy?
I think it's like.
I think it's like Orbeez.
Yeah.
Together in
It's like really squishy stuff. That is so cool.
I want to see it.
What is that? Oh.
Yeah, see, it says
Bubble.
Orbeez Squishables.
Oh, Orbeez. Okay.
They're just
What
like
is this?
Oh, it's more squishier.
What is that?
That smells. Those are the smells.
This is
Squeezables, but they smell too.
oh, squeezables. You like it?
See, there's an Orbeez.
Like a squeezable? Yeah.
Ugh. I like them.
Oh, this is a squishy monkey. Oops. Oops. Yeah, don't touch anything.
Don't touch anything, Sissy. They're too small, so look at that.
Oh, and then they have these. So these are like little bubble gum.
Daddy went away and get some
Double bubble little what do they call gum machine. Yeah. Gumball machine. What else is in here? I think that's it.
Oh god, there's like this blue pie back here.
Oh, they have a I have what is that?
It's a blue pie.
It is? Looks so strange. Strange things are happening. Those are cool. Oh, look at this guy. What is that? It's a burger. Is that a burger? That's pretty cool. Oh, they have one little doggy. Like woof woof. Woof woof. And
I think that's it.
these are whoopsie cushion. Oh, is this the one that makes that weird noise?
Yes.
Yeah. These are amazing slime. They have some good stuff. Where's Leah?
Right there.
Oh, look at this guy. Oh man, this one has slice of cake. Is that a cake? Yeah. Yeah. That's, and then this is a panda. It's a panda. That one has a girl. This one is a little blowfish. That's a blowfish.
This is a cat. No,
oh, look at the little alien. You got the alien. Yeah. And then you have this guy, like a little fish. Oh.
These are bouncies.
Is that Hello Kitty? I think that's Hello Kitty.
This one lights up if you
Oh,
bounce
this one
it.
lights. Oh, that's cool. These are $3. Those are $3. All right, let's go, girls. What's up, guys? On my way to go to Habitat for Humanity to go get some. I'll be back, guys. A light fixture. I'm looking for a light fixture for my dining room. But I don't want to pay full price for it, so I'm going to Habitat for Humanity to see if they have any. Okay, so we found a light fixture.
60 watts.
Yeah, we found a light fixture. It's like really pretty. Mine is so heavy. Let me show you guys. Oh my gosh, tell me guys this is not so pretty. And I'm gonna spray paint it.
Where do you get
on the other
from?
side.
Because he got 60, 40, and 25.
And this is only 25 bucks. And I'm gonna spray paint it. So I'm trying to find lights for our bathroom, but I don't see any.
Lights for the what?
Our bathroom.
What do you mean? Our bathroom?
Yeah, because I'm switching out the bulbs in our bathroom.
Where do you get the bulbs from here?
This is pretty. He said it's on the other side. So I think it's, he went around the corner. Oh my god, we gotta come back.
Yeah, a lot of nice stuff.
Look at this.
These are pretty.
Oh, those, yeah.
Attention shoppers, please note that the restore will be closing in the next 20 minutes. The restore will be closing in the next
Where the lights are?
minutes. If you have any
We're back.
Huh?
So, hubby we got the light, and hubby's spray painted it black for me. I don't know if I wanted it glossy, but this is what it looks like.
Looks nice glossy, actually.
You think it looks nice glossy?
Mm-hmm.
So he hung it from the ceiling and he's spray painting it.
Okay. So this is all I have left, so I'm trying to like
make sure you get the string. You got the string, all the string up top, all 9 of them. Make sure you get all 9, babe. So
I did.
you get all 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt to go just a little bit more, cause I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited. I paid 25 bucks for the chandelier, and the one I was looking at online was like 200 bucks, 250 bucks for something similar to that. And I was like, no way am I paying that. So I kept on looking and looking and looking and looking, and I was like, I hope I hit a sale. And then Black Friday came, Cyber Monday, and I was like, no way was I paying 100 bucks for the light. And then I saw someone here on YouTube said that they went to Habitat for Humanity, and I was like, whoa, what is that? And then the money, the funds, whatever you buy, the money goes towards building houses. So I was like, yeah, I'm down for that, because there's a lot of stores that claim that they are for helping people, but they actually take the money and pocket it. So don't get me started on that. So I was happy to support a good cause, and I had a $50 budget. I went up in there, got lights, the light fixture, light bulb, caulking, a whole bunch of caulking, a blade for my circular saw. Is it circular?
No, jigsaw.
No, for my jigsaw that hubby gave to me in the summertime. And I'm like so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So for Christmas I have a light, and I told Marcelo, I was like, by Christmas I need a light fixture, and lo and behold, we have a light fixture. And I was like, thank you, Jesus. Hi guys, I forgot to end the video, so I just wanted to take this time out to properly end the video. Also, I wanted to ask if you guys are interested in seeing squishy videos on our channel. Destiny is obsessed with squishies, and I wanted to add that to our channel. That way she can feel included. She's getting much older and she wants to be more involved. So I wanted to know if you guys are interested. If you guys are not, then it's okay. Don't have to worry about it. And also, thank you guys so much for supporting us. If you guys like this video, give us a big thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine. And if you don't know my name, I'm Janice, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, love you.